morning, my name is Caiden Poropat.
And I'm Nick Brascia. Today is October 4th, 2024, and we have a lot in store for you guys today. Several of our students and staff became Eucharistic ministers this past month and were installed at Mass this past week. We had a chance to talk to them about it.
Hi guys, I'm AJ Perez and I'm here with
Nephew Shriner.
Nice. And can you tell us a little bit what a Eucharistic minister is?
Very simply, a Eucharistic minister is someone who gives communion at Mass, but more particularly, I would say it's someone who gives that respect to the Eucharist and also not just passes it out, but teaches about it.
Nice. And my last question is, what inspired you to be a part of this?
I wanted to get involved at my parish. I'm involved there already, and the Eucharistic minister is another thing I just wanted to do. I enjoy seeing people doing it, and I want to do that as well.
Nice. Well, thank you for your time.
Alondra Espino. Addison Fleck.
What was the main reason you guys wanted to become Eucharistic ministers?
I want to spread the body of Christ with all of my friends and all the students here at JCA.
I wanted to contribute in the Mass and grow my faith. Mainly just to grow in my faith.
I wanted to get involved with JCA. All the answers. Thank you to our new Eucharistic minister crews. Next up, we have several new teachers and staff at JCA this year, and we want to give you a chance to meet them.
I'm here with Mrs. Gura, and I'm here to ask a few questions. So what's your position here at JCA?
My position here is the receptionist of the main office.
What'd you do before coming here to JCA?
Before JCA, I was a secretary over at an elementary school in Shorewood.
And what's your favorite thing so far?
My favorite thing I would say is how kind everyone is here. The staff and the kids have all been just super wonderful here.
All right, thank you for your time.
Absolutely, thank you.
Hi, my name is Nick Brascia, and who am I here with today?
Hi, I am Mrs. Farias.
All right, Mr. Farias, we're going to be asking you a few questions. The first question is, where'd you come from before JCA?
Before JCA, I was a theology teacher at St. Francis High School in Wheaton.
All right, and then what is your current position here at JCA?
And my current position is the same thing. I'm a theology teacher for juniors and seniors.
Okay, awesome. And then what is your favorite thing about JCA?
My favorite thing about JCA is getting to know all the awesome students and just excited to, get to know more people and see what this adventure holds for me.
All right, thank you for all your time.
Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm AJ Perez and I'm here with
Mrs. Sarah Shamballin.
Nice. And what is your position here at JCA?
I'm the new Director of Communications.
Nice. And can you tell us a little bit about it?
Sure. I handle all sorts of things for all of the departments really around the school. I am the one who's posting to social media. I send out the Parent Pride newsletter, any emails about things going on. I send out to parents. And really, I am just the hub for all things communication related.
Nice. And how do you like JCA so far?
I think it's great. Everybody here is super friendly. I'm enjoying getting to meet all the different departments and all the staff members. And I love that I get to see my kids on a daily basis now.
Nice. Well, thank you for your time.
Thank you.
I'm Aaron Stockman. I'm here with
Miss Williams.
All right, Miss Williams. And what do you teach here at JCA?
I teach English. I do freshman, sophomore, and senior English.
All right. And what'd you teach? Where'd you work before this?
So I did some maternity leave subbing here last year. I subbed for Mrs. Bush in English and Miss Goodvillis in math.
All right. And what's your favorite thing about JCA?
I'd have to say working with all the faculty who taught me when I went here is probably the most fun. They've been very supportive and they've helped me a lot through this first year.
All right. That'll be all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm AJ Perez and I'm here with
Mrs. Batchelor.
Nice. And can you tell us a little bit about your position here at JCA?
Sure. I'm the Student Services School Counselor, so I work with all the students who are in the ARC program, as well as, students that are struggling or just need a little bit of extra help here and there.
Nice. And where did you come from before coming to JCA?
Sure. I was a teacher for 7 years, and then prior to that, I worked with individuals who had a mental illness or developmental disability in a psychosocial rehabilitation program.
Nice. And my last question for you is, how do you like JCA so far?
So far, I love it. So I loved it last year when I was here as an intern, and I love it even more now. One of my favorite things to do is go to the kids' sporting events and kind of see everybody in their element.
Nice. Well, thank you for your time.
All right. Thank you.
I'm Lucas Bruno, and today I'm here with Mr. Lopez, and I'm going to ask him a few questions. What is your position here at JCA?
I am the new Spanish 3, Spanish 4, and AP Spanish teacher.
What interested you in taking this job?
What interested me about taking this job was seeing all the school spirit at all the games and getting to know more of the students here, and seeing how much they actually appreciate the school and have school spirit for it.
And last question, what's your favorite thing about JCA so far?
So far, my favorite thing has been just interacting with everybody here in the building. Everyone's been super nice and super kind and super helpful to me. So it's what I appreciated the most and like so far the most.
All right, thank you for your time.
Yeah, no problem.
I'm Aaron Stockman. I'm here with Mr. Herrera, one of our very own janitors, and welcome to JCA. Tell me a bit about yourself.
My name's Alex. I walk around the school, pretty much just see all the students. They're pretty nice, and pretty much they're all friendly, and I love it.
All right, and what's your favorite thing about JCA?
Pretty much like it's all the students are like way different from other school. I come from high school West, Joliet West, and pretty much I seen like students pretty friendly, more attention to like around asking like, oh, can you do this? Friendly, pretty much, really nice.
All right, well, welcome to JCA, and thank you for cleaning up our school.
Thank you.
Have a good day, sir.
Welcome to JCA. We hope you like it here. We have several things coming up. Key Club is selling pumpkins to support Pink Heels of Joliet. Purchase your $10 pumpkin by October 7th and paint it with the Key Club to display in the Heritage Quad. There will be a contest for the best painted pumpkin with a prize of $25 gift card of your choice.
Great cause. Speaking of great causes, make sure to sign up for the October 21st blood drive if you haven't done so already. Information has been emailed to you by Mr. Morissette, and we will have more information for you early next week.
That's all we have for you this week.
Go
Hill!
For more information, please visit our website.